Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start investing into cryptocurrency with Venmo. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start investing into cryptocurrency. Do make sure to do your own research first. How do you actually go ahead and get started? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that we're going to do is open up Venmo. Next, you're going to click on crypto on the bottom right hand corner. Next, you can see that you can either buy or receive crypto. So from here, you can see that you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, or you can receive Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. So if we click on buy, let's click on Bitcoin. Let's say that we want to purchase $20 worth of Bitcoin. Next, we need to choose a payment method and then go ahead and buy the Bitcoin. Likewise, let's say that we want to sell or receive Bitcoin. If we had crypto in our wallet, we would actually just go ahead and be able to sell. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and start investing into cryptocurrency on Venmo. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.